Still 45 seconds on the power play. Ehlers defeated. Off now to Armia. Joel Armia had a goal and an assist here Monday in their win over the Wild. Tyler Myers sweeps it down the boards. Armia to keep it moving. Fresh penalty killers out there for the Golden Knights. Smith and Delmar back out. Schmidt with Miller. Drive score! Myers from the left point. Let it go. And Tyler Myers on the power play. It's 1-0 Winnipeg.
Myers will have his 4th of the year. Great play by Brian Little along the wall. That doesn't get cut off. Just a little play. Ehlers over to Myers at the point. Joel Armia is parked right in front of Legacy. He doesn't get much of a look at that. It changes direction almost the last moment, and it finds a little room as it goes off Colin Miller's stick in between the pads.